Hi, this is Adriana, and this is step number 10 of Mindset 360 training with Asia Roberts. And this step is about how we must get to people's heart first. So the key to getting to the heart of people is to care about the prospect first. So we need to ask them questions about their goals, their dreams, their ambitions, because no one really cares what we know until the prospect knows and feel how much we care. So we need to ask them what they want, what their struggles are, what the challenges are, and we really need to listen to what they're going through and figure it out how to offer solutions. So like our leader, Asia, when she's working with a prospect, she puts everything aside. Like she disappears from the picture because she really focuses on, and she puts all her attention into the other person and really listens to them. When she has their phone numbers, she builds reports with them. She's very good at building rapport over the phone, or she even has video conferences on Facebook to learn more about them. And I can relate in a way to that because of my line of work. We have to listen to the families and listen to the challenges they're going through and everything. So when they're telling me all this, my brain is going like, okay, we can do this and that, and then offer them the solutions. So I can see the similarities in that. So what Asia does, she's very good in building rapport, and then she is able to either start them with a free account or in different levels within SalesVision. So then she tags the prospects in the videos, and then they can learn more about, about the businesses and how to grow in their business. So she becomes a professional inviter, and she teaches us that within SalesVision Mindset 360. And there's another level, which is the professional level, where she teaches on recruiting and strategies on team duplication. That's in the professional level. Those same strategies she used when she applied them, she became the top affiliate in Internet Lifestyle Network with Vincent Ortega, Clifton Hatfield, and Mara Hoverson. And she also has another training for high ticket commission, which is Life Mastery 360. So if you have a business and you have a product and you want to grow your business, or if you want to start one, just go to the link below, and we're here to listen. And you can start with a free account in SalesVision. Okay, thank you for watching.